So this is a horse that supposedly has some trouble loading, and most of the time when people get in trouble loading, it's because there's too much pressure on the horse learns to quit. So all I'm going to do with this horse is I'm going to work on his response to the things I need him to do. I need him to respect my space, move out of my space. I also need him to move forward when I tell him to move forward. Okay, and I'm just going to work him through here. So I'm not going to start by trying to load him. I'm going to start by lunging this horse around and have him respect my space and follow a soft feel on this halter. Typically, if I lead him up to the trailer and try and force loading, I give him something to argue with. So here, I'm just teaching him to motivate forward, and I'm not making the trailer the issue at this moment. So I offered him a chance to stop in front of the trailer, and he refused. We're going to keep going around. Oh, he refused again. He goes back to work. Oh, there, he believed me that time. I'm going to let him process, but I'm not going to let him sneak away from this trailer. There. So his safe spot is going to be getting closer to the trailer. Oh, there. So that's the closest he's stopped yet. And I'll say, good, that's exactly. Oh, he said, I'm going to check that out. Maybe that's a place to hide. Maybe I can get away from you in there. And that's all I'm trying to do. Instead of make the trailer the place where he gets worried, the trailer becomes his safe spot. Feet are going the wrong way. Back to work. So at this point, I don't need him to get in the trailer. I just need him to want to be here. If I shoot too hard now and try and push too hard now, then I make the trailer the bad spot. So every time he tries to leave the trailer, the pressure will go up. If he stands here, I'm just going to say, that's okay, that's all I needed. Oh. Oh. So there, you can tell as soon as the switch flipped, as soon as he said, oh, I better try, there wasn't a lot of educating to put him in the trailer. He just got in the trailer. Okay? Okay, so we're going to reinforce that. Same deal, I'm not going to set this up right away. I want him to think that that trailer is actually a release of the pressure. So if I try and go back and load immediately without giving him a job here, yeah, much more patient up here. Where this becomes the place where everything gets better, he'll want to get back in next time. Go once around. Awesome.